before meeting Ali, I didn't know too much about Venezuelan food, but now I know so much, including this dish. I love it. This is your national dish.
Yes, pabellon.
Pabellon.
That's a traditional national dish. It's like kind of, like a poke bowl.
Yep.
But Venezuelan poke bowl.
Yes. Oh, this is just really delicious. So let's start over here with the meat.
That's one of the main ingredients of the pabellon.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that. That's amazing. It's really simple to cook. You have to grab the scured beef, put in water, so add salt, a little bit of pepper, garlic, onion. Sometimes I use, a coriander or parsley and boil it for 2 hours.
Okay.
Look at that. Let's see how tender it is.
Skirt steak.
That's amazing.
It's
look at that.
one of those most delicious cuts because it turns into this glorious, slow-cooked piece of meat. Can we use any meat, any other red meat for this?
No.
No.
I'm so picky, and I always use this type of beef, scured beef.
Yeah.
But if you are busy, you don't have time, you can put in the pressure cooker.
Oh, good
1
tip.
hour, 45 minutes, it will be ready.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And we're not going to throw away this liquid, are we?
No, please, don't do it. That's my grandmother's secret, the stock. We make our own stock from scratch.
Fantastic.
So while you're doing that, I'm gonna do the sofrito.
Okay.
Another big question. People, they don't know, what sofritos mean? Really simple. My grandmother's sofrito. Garlic, onion, and red capsicum. Really simple. We don't need many ingredients. And in Venezuela, we don't use a lot of ingredients. Like spices and things.
Yeah.
Really simple, really easy.
Can we chop this if we want to?
You can. Yeah, but the preference is to blend it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil.
Okay.
And we add
There we go.
the pizza.
Yeah. Sofrito is the base of so many different
Yes.
cuisines, and it's something that you don't want to rush. You want to really cook it
Exactly.
nice and slowly so it caramelizes and develops flavor.
Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna cook this one for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna split. We're gonna use half of the beef and half of the beans.
Great.
The sofrito is ready, so I just split, half for the beans and half for the beef.
Okay.
So now let's cook. Could you please add the beef in here?
So the shredded skirt steak, in it
Love it.
goes.
Oh,
it's
amazing.
hard to resist nibbling and having a taste of it. It's so good already.
That's so good.
Here we go.
Okay, now we add the tomato sauce.
Tomatoes, okay.
Oh, yum. Perfect. Sugar.
Okay, so just a little bit of brown sugar.
Yes.
Okay.
Love it. So, and then we're gonna add salt, pepper,
Pinch of salt.
pinch of salt. Ooh, yum.
And some pepper.
Yep.
There you go.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yes.
Tell me about the soy sauce.
Well, that's my mom's secret.
That's what makes it extra special.
Extra special, and then we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lime or lemon, and we are ready.
And how long does that take to cook the meat? Because it's already, the meat's cooked.
But
for
I
the 2
normally
hours.
cook for like 10 to 15 minutes because I want, the flavor to get into the meat,
Okay.
like the salsa. Now we're gonna add soy sauce,
Okay.
just a tiny bit.
A tiny bit gives it extra savoury
I
flavour.
give it savory flavor. Oh, yum, I love it. And one of the things is I cook by size. I remember I used to call my grandmother, could you please give me the recipe of this dish? Oh, a little bit. Add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Could you please explain what's a little bit, un poquito, a little bit more? Sorry,
That's so
guys,
cute.
we cook like that. So.
Cooked by size. It's
By
very nice.
size.
Oh, that smells
That
very
looks
good.
so good.
And this sofrito is cooked down even more now. So you can see a lot of the moisture's gone away. So you're just left with this really concentrated capsicum onion flavour. Very nice.
That's perfect. Now we're gonna put the beans.
Okay.
Yeah?
Beans and a few bay leaves.
Yes, bay leaf,
What type of beans are these?
black beans.
Black beans.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
We're gonna add a little bit of cumin.
Cumin. Yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's a very hearty dish. You got lots of meat
Yeah.
and the beans.
Nice.
Very nice.
Justin, could you please put a little bit of coriander on the beans?
Just tear it straight in.
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
Salt, pepper,
Yes.
and we are ready with the beans. And now we need to add here a little bit of the stock, and we are ready. We're gonna put a lid on this and wait for like 10 minutes.
Sounds good.
Oh, yum. Look at this.
Smells
This is
good.
amazing. Sorry.
Both of us.
We were so excited to try this pavillon. So, beef is ready.
Yep.
Beans are ready. We cook a little bit of white rice, normal white rice. Don't panic. And we have one of my favorite, plantain.
So plantain is it's
Plantain
banana.
is a banana family, but it's bigger. To eat plantain, you have to cook it. It's not like a banana, like you peel it and eat it.
Exactly, because it's an
not like that.
unripened banana.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
not pleasant to eat it.
Now, what is this contraption?
Well, that's a present for you.
Oh,
I
thank
bought it
you.
in Venezuela.
Yes.
So let's use it. It's to place the rice. So when you put it on the plate, it looks pretty.
So it's like a mold.
It's like, yeah,
I
exactly.
love this. So
Yeah.
I'll just put it on there.
Look at that.
Rice is eaten quite a lot in Venezuela.
Yes.
With
it is.
most meals?
Yes, it is
Okay.
really common. Yeah.
And am I doing this right?
That's perfect. I
Squash
love
it
it.
on. There we
Let's
go.
see.
Now
and
what?
now you just put it on the plate.
Okay, on the plate.
Let's see, because the rice is too soft. So hopefully. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
I love
it.
this. Very nice, very nice.
So now we're gonna add the beans.
Okay, I'll pass that to you.
Thank you.
And some spring onions. You want me to chop them?
Please, yes,
Okay.
that's for garnish.
Okay.
So we add a little bit of the beans on the side. And then we add the beef. This one, it is amazing with arepa.
What's areba?
Arepa is the Venezuelan bread
Ah,
Yep.
Venezuelan bread.
with cheese and beef. Oh, yum.
So much to know about Venezuelan food. There's so much history behind it, so many different flavors. It's interesting food. I love it.
Yeah, and it's really easy. People get, they get scared like Venezuelan food, what's that? I don't know what is that.
Yeah.
You see, it's really easy, delicious. You don't need to be, in the kitchen for so many hours. And now we're gonna add for me, the hero of this plate. Plantain.
Plantain, yes. Ali, you said it was very much like the poke bowl, and it is. Poke bowl from Venezuela, a little bit of spring onion.
That's it.
Ali, that looks so good.
Well, hopefully you like it. So now is the time for you to try and let me know what you think.
Can't wait. I want a little of the beans, and definitely I want to try that skirt steak.
I'm hungry already.
I love it. I think this is a great dish to show because it's like the ultimate comfort food of Venezuela. I think I understand what you're talking about now when you say when you're homesick, you cook the food from your home.
Yep.
This straight away makes you feel better.
I know. And remember, my family,
Yeah.
my grandmother, everyone. So
Ah.
this is a Venezuela on a plate.
Love it. Thank you, Ali.